Wense ni goboiga airari bagana koria irabuna nigarachi kweneke buna Eserekali yaye ngobwato kero bokonyi gochese chifamiri chiri chonsi chiabete chigosiri rwana bancho babo chinga kyokorobekana kwa betago kweneke waiga Kenya waigo niga boriri ekyombekeri kya aipoa Kenya are kwa yereria obotukia saba na inchi babeire bakogikeria obokoreri bwabo ase chinga kyechecho ni goruto achikire bali babegeto byara maminchane richiko igoro yokorobekana ko bwato kwa rimo rioka na mashitaka abo ko tuguterware aroboti orwasenchera yoboikera.
The government of Kenya will provide necessary support to all families and citizens who lost their loved ones. Unfortunately, there has been many instances of excessive, unlawful, dangerous, and harmful conduct during the demonstrations and engagements, as a consequence of which many persons have been arrested and charged in courts with various offenses. I urge the criminal justice agencies to take effective measures and ensure that people who may have been innocently caught up on the wrong side of things and those not implicated in crimes be released and charges against them withdrawn. This will enable the agencies to focus their resources, efforts, and time in investigating and prosecuting serious criminal elements who took advantage of peaceful demonstrations to advance a dangerous agenda of lawlessness, anarchy, and mayhem. It is important that these suspects are brought to book and that they are prosecuted to the fullest extent of the law. I also take this opportunity to affirm the constitutional authority and duty vested on our national security institutions to protect our country against internal and external threats to sovereignty, to lives of our people, our rights, freedoms, property, peace, stability, and prosperity, as well as our collective national interest. I call on the National Police Service to use its mandate responsibly, professionally, and effectively in full compliance with the Constitution, with a view to promoting the national objectives of Article 238, 239, and 244 of our Constitution.